on the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Where are we, babe?
Hollenbeck Canyon.
Hollenbeck Canyon, everybody. With this pregnant woman.
Brought the baby. Can't leave home without it.
Got a pregnant woman on the trail. See them people way up there?
Oh, babe, right there. Perfect.
Dude, they have their dog. That's a steep hill.
Yeah, it is. Can we make it?
San Diego. This is actually considered, well, actually we're in Homol.
Oh no. Babe, that's really steep.
That is a steep hill. That's gonna be good. You guys see that up there? Masterminding with my chick. Talking about power, talking about team building. Talking about going out there and starting a whole new league. Starting a whole new team. We got Stephen Ray already in position. Don't got to worry about that leg no more. Time to go build a whole new team. March 2018. It is March 2018. And power is literally going to take over the solar game. It's going to be the people. We're powered by the people. What you want to do, man, is you want to, and that's what I was telling you earlier. Remember, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Is that when it comes to anything you could possibly be doing, affiliate marketing, Shopify, just any kind of e-commerce. See, what we already have is we have our social media agency. We have a consulting agency, social media marketing, bringing value to business owners with that. That's our daytime business. You've got to always have that extra stream of income. You got to always be building something else on the side. And so when it comes to e-commerce, Shopify, affiliate marketing, network marketing, I've seen it all. I've been building this for 20 years. I've seen it all. I've done so much research in the last 11, 12 months. So much research, right, babe? Shopify, affiliate marketing. And I'm just coming to the conclusion, March 2018, coming to the conclusion where we have to go all in.
90-day run.
90-day run. We got to go all in with power. Because if you're going to market a product, here's the thing. As we were talking about, you got to market a product. I don't care if it's e-commerce, Shopify, freaking affiliate marketing, driving traffic to your offer, right? At the end of the day, it's just an offer. At the end of the day, it's just traffic. At the end of the day, it's not backed by anything solid. And when it comes to network marketing, that's the benefit. That's the advantage. That's the powerful thing about the entire model, is that you're pushing a product through people. The people are the foundation. The people are the movement. The people is what keeps it glued for decades and decades. That's why the industry does billions of dollars. That's why the industry has been around for over 100 years. It's proven itself. It's solid as can be when moving any kind of product. And when you're moving a product online, again, you could be pushing anything, man. Any kind of widget. I don't care if you're getting it from freaking Alibaba, or if you're getting it from, if you're affiliate marketing and you're just offering, some of the hottest products out there in e-com, or some of these hot, courses. At the end of the day, man, that's all it is a product. If you're gonna build something, you might as well have some meaning behind it. You might as well build it with people, because the people, again, are what keeps it together. And when you have a culture that is backed by something that you could be passionate about, that's when there's a win-win. So many people win. Everyone involved wins. Because again, it's not just pushing a product. We're pushing a passion. We're driving something meaningful. And when it comes to the product, we got it. When it comes to the compensation plan, we got it. When it comes to the strategies and the marketing strategies, we got it. Now it's just time to work our ass off. March 2018, 90-day run. You just heard it from my chick, my pregnant chick. And it's about to go down. What's up, guys?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good, thank you. Kindness. You always want to be practicing kindness. All right, you guys, over and out, man. Work your ass off.
Bye, love you.
Work your ass off. Work your ass off. Stay focused. Follow me on YouTube. If this is your first time coming across me, I've been involved in business for the past 20 years. Marketing, advertising, consulting, social media marketing, and network marketing. Find your passion. Find your lane. I got 20 years ahead of most of you guys. So, believe me, I've seen it all. Find what you're passionate about, run with it, and build it with people. Build it with people. I'll see you guys at the top. Peace.